On October 21st, 2024, a heartbreaking incident unfolded that has left us shaken and searching for justice. One of our esteemed alumni, Shri Pinaki Dey, a 59-year-old resident of Mumbai, tragically lost his life in an accident that could have been avoided. Pinaki had just stepped out of Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital that evening. Earlier that day, his wife had undergone a major surgery and he had gone out briefly to get some food, not knowing that this small errand would be his last. As he stood near the hospital's gate number 2 at around 7:45 p.m., a motorcycle driven by a minor struck him suddenly and with immense force. This young rider, without a license or permission, was recklessly navigating through the busy streets of Mumbai on a motorcycle, a heavy vehicle he was neither trained nor authorized to operate. The impact left Pinaki with severe head and abdominal injuries. Despite receiving immediate medical care, he succumbed to his injuries 2 days later, surrounded by the very doctors and nurses who had tried so desperately to save him. Pinaki was a loving husband, a caring friend, and a proud alumnus of the National Institute of Technology, Agartala. He was a bright mind who dedicated his life to making positive contributions to our nation. This tragedy has left an irreparable void in the hearts of those who knew him. Yet despite the gravity of this incident, the initial police report contained no mention of the minor's name, the names of his parents, or even the owner of the motorcycle. This raises disturbing questions about accountability. How could a minor be allowed access to a powerful motorcycle in such a densely populated area? Today we, the alumni of NIT Agartala, call upon the authorities for justice. We ask for stringent actions against juvenile offenders who show such disregard for public safety. We urge for accountability from the guardians who allowed this to happen. Justice for Pinaki Dey. Hold the minor accountable with a thorough assessment by a psychologist. Accountability of guardians. Parents or guardians must face consequences for allowing an unlicensed minor to drive. Public awareness campaigns. Spread awareness about responsible driving, especially when it comes to underage drivers. Transparency in action. We request a clear timeline from the authorities on the steps being taken to prevent such tragedies in the future. Pinaki's life was invaluable and his death must not be in vain. With your support, we can bring attention to this tragedy and push for the reforms needed to prevent future incidents. This is not just about justice for Pinaki, it's about making our streets safer and ensuring accountability. Please help us honor Pinaki's memory by sharing this video, spreading awareness, and calling for accountability. Together, we can make a difference.